Yeah, here's the VS code. Just I tried one simple logic. So anyway, I'll show you guys from the base actually. Okay. Uh, if you are click on the control shift X, we can able to see this extensions marketplace. I already installed the GitHub Copilot. Otherwise, you can search the GitHub Copilot. You can able to see the listed out here. It will have the like this. It will have the installation button and all. I already installed the GitHub Copilot. We are a bad programmer. Okay. Anyway, I'm going to open a new file. Python file. I'm going to open. I just take a, let's say, save this file as just test GitHub Copilot Python file. So let's take it. Let's see what we can do. We'll do some yes, Ishmael, allow program. Okay, just I'm going to write you one method. Uh, hello. See, GitHub is giving the all sessions. If to accept it, you have to care. If you are okay with this code, you can have to type tab so that it will the what the session is given, right? It will take it that one actually. Okay, and then see this is the it will give us this code, and if you want to improve this code or any session you want to tell to the GitHub for the Copilot, you can type it here, like add exception handling for this method. I'm giving typing it here. Let's see what's happening. See, allow function does not have any operations. It is suggesting that could raise exceptions. So exception only is not necessary in this case. However, if you want to add the exception, anyway, we are going just for testing purpose. We are doing it right. So I'm giving. If you want to add it, then see it is suggesting here. So if you want to add it, just apply. Apply button is here. If what it is, this is to insert a cursor actually, so you can copy paste also. So if I click that one, it's automatically added here. Okay, if you want to keep or undo also, you can able to do with these things. So this is the one of the simple example for testing at GitHub. What to demonstrate that. If you want to test any other methods or any logics, we can able to try like let's try with another method called I'm trying to get weather get weather of a city. See, it's just the old code. It can simulate the fetching weather data or the temperature, sunny. Okay, and all it is assessing this code. Now I am writing here. Here is the what API access to get the weather of a city. I'm just adding it here. Then let's see what is testing. To ADA API access to weather obviously you can see the weather API to open weather like open weather map. So what it is suggesting is, see we can see the weather. See we can get the API key anyway. For to access the API we have to get the API key, right? Just we have to get from the website the API key, and it will give the all the URLs and all. And see it suggests everything. So if you want to invoke this code, just you click on this apply. See it have the all the codes. It's a whole file code it is giving, and imports also it is testing. This is the way the AI powered Copilot in the VS Code, that is GitHub Copilot, is helping the developer to improve the codings. and performance to concentrate on the core concepts like code logic. So AI is not replacing the developer. AI improving the performance of the developer, helping the developer. That's what, guys. It is about the GitHub Copilot. You make use of it and let me know how you are writing the logics and all, and then we can make use of it. If you want to see any other tool also, please let me know in the comment part so that we can use that tool and we can make a demo of that actually. If you like this video, please like, share, and subscribe and share to your friends. It will be helpful for me. Thank you all.